Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. First watch this, please subscribe my channel for more recipes. Today, we're making a delicious and traditional Indian dessert that's perfect for festivals, celebrations, or just satisfying your sweet tooth. It's called Kesari Bhaat. This fragrant, saffron-infused sweet dish is super easy to make and tastes absolutely divine. So, let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients you'll need. Here's what you'll need for this recipe: your 1 cup semolina, Sooji Rava, 1 cup sugar, 4 to 5 cups water, 4 to 5 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter, a pinch of saffron strands, kesar, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, a handful of cashews and raisins, a few drops of orange food color, optional. Let's start by heating a pan on medium flame. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, we'll add the cashews and raisins. Fry them until they turn golden brown and aromatic. Once they're done, remove them from the pan and set them aside for later. Now, in the same pan, add 1 cup of semolina. Roast it on medium heat until it turns light golden brown and releases a nutty aroma. This step is super important because it gives the Kesari Bhaat its signature flavor. Keep stirring continuously to avoid burning. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. While the semolina is roasting, let's prepare the saffron water. Take a pinch of saffron strands and soak them in 2 tablespoons of warm water. This will help release the beautiful color and flavor of the saffron. Once the semolina is roasted, it's time to add water. For 1 cup of semolina, we'll use 4 cups of water. Be careful while adding the water, as it might splutter. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. You can adjust the water quantity depending on how thick or soft you want your Kesari Bhaat to be. Once the semolina absorbs the water and starts to thicken, add 1 cup of sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves completely. Then, add the saffron water we prepared earlier. This will give the dish its beautiful golden color and rich flavor. If you want a more vibrant color, you can add a few drops of orange food color, but this is optional. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for that aromatic touch. Then, add the fried cashews and raisins we set aside earlier. Mix everything well. Keep stirring the mixture on low heat for another 2 to 3 minutes until it thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. And that's it. Our Kesari Bhaat is ready. Now, let's plate this delicious dessert. You can serve it warm or at room temperature. Garnish it with some extra nuts if you like. This Kesari Bhaat is so fragrant, sweet, and absolutely delicious. It's the perfect treat for any occasion. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more yummy recipes. See you next time.